Hello, 8 coins.
Let me check your wallet. I sent you $2K BTC. Let me pay now.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this? This is playing.
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
Fla.
Hello? Chief Akpamweze. Please, I have told you not to call me back. I am not interested. I am a woman of righteousness, woman of Volon City, woman of Zion. My body is the temple of the Lord. I do not do hooked up. I've told you.
I sent you money, Flora.
You sent me something. Please send your account number. Let me send it back to you. I beg, send your address. Let me see how I can come in the next 20 minutes. Let me make it 10 minutes now.
Are you sure?
You know what, Daddy? I will come. Very like 30 seconds. Let me see how I can fly. All right, thank you. I beg, don't look at me with bad eyes, oh. This one that you're looking, I beg, nobody should stress me. I beg.